Good morning, class. I hope you enjoyed our last meeting in the Google Classroom. Today, we're still looking on transformation geometry. We'll be looking at the subtopic, types of transformation, enlargement. The learning objectives at the end of the lesson, students should be able to describe enlargement, enlarge a plane shape using the scale factor, and also determine the center of enlargement. Now, enlargement is just the result when you increase or decrease a shape. While doing that, the two shapes will be mathematically similar, but the only difference is that they will have what? Different size. Now, under enlargement, we said the shape and the angles remain the same. That makes the two shapes be similar. Take for instance, if I have this triangle, I can enlarge this. Now we can have this to be the enlargement of this, and we can as well have this to be the enlargement of that. Now under enlargement, we have what we call the scale factor. Now how do we get the scale factor? The scale factor is new length of image over old length of object. Now, when the scale factor is positive, both the object and the image, they are on the same direction. Take for instance, if we have a positive scale factor, that means that our center of enlargement will be at this point of both the object and the image, or it may be at this other point for both the object and the image, depending on what we are looking at. Now, when the scale factor is negative, the center of enlargement is always in between the object and the image, whereby the image will be inverted. We can have something like this. Then we have maybe something like this. So the image will be inverted. Just have a cross carpet like that. So you have something like that. So under transformation, there are three things that you must know about. If the transformation is enlargement, you tell us that it is enlargement. Then you also tell us the center of enlargement, which is a coordinate, and also the scale factor, be it positive. Now that will take us to the graph we want to consider. Now if you look at this, I have the objects A, B, and C. And I also have the inverted image A, B, and C. Now, in this question, we want to find the center of enlargement. Now, because the image is an inverted version of the object, and if you look at it, this is bigger than this. So the center of enlargement is at the middle here. This is the center of enlargement. So you connect, since the image is an inverted version of the object. So we have it like that. So in this case now, this point is the center of enlargement. Now how do we get the scale factor? The scale factor, don't forget, is the new length. Now let's take from here to this place. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. And from here to here, AC corresponds to CA. So from here to here is 2. That's 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Now don't forget that because the center of enlargement is at the middle, that will give us a scale factor of -2. So with this, I hope you can lay your hands on other examples and even the class styles that will be given to you in Google Classroom. Have a nice day. We'll see you next week for another version of transformation. Thank you.